How to transfer a Spotify playlist to BeatPort account, okay? How to do this? Here you have a guide step by step for do this, okay? Go to the tomymusic.com and here you transfer the playlist, okay, to the music services, okay? Here you have a Spotify and here you have a BeatPort. Okay, you go to the Spotify first and here you have to load from Spotify account. You click and here you log in with your account Spotify and you select your playlist you want a transfer, okay? Choose your destination and go to the BeatPort. Okay, here you log in with your BeatPort password and username, okay? Login and you transfer this playlist. Bye bye.